That's heavy. He's got to push her.
I don't want to know.
I don't know how he's going to survive that.
Hallelujah, Jesus!
Jacob! You're gonna jump on as well. Really? Oh mate, you're a lot heavier than my mum.
Make sure you hold on, hold on.
He's a lot heavier, isn't he?
How you doing, Steve? All right?
Yeah.
No, I think they made friends, didn't they? I said, I think these two made friends.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like your toys. Have you got pals? Yeah, he has. Right, I'd get out of the way if I was you, because they're coming back.
This front wheel came up, you see it?
What?
This front wheel came up. Because he's heavier.
Did he?
I put acceleration.
Whoa.
The front wheel popped up.
Oh,
I was
dear.
Like, that was scary. Yeah, I felt the steering bar get light and I was like, hold a minute. Look down, my front wheel's off the ground. You want to go, Dad?
I've got a film though. Hold on. No, I've got it. Got it.